got focus. What are you going to focus on? That's the question. What are you going to focus on mentally? That's the question. 2008. What happened in 2008? Market crash. There were people that lost a lot of money, and there were people that actually made more money because of the crash. We had millionaires that emerged. Why? What was the difference in their focus?
They were against the market. They were betting against the market.
They were short
They
on the
stayed
market.
focused.
They were short on the market.
What does it mean?
I mean, they, according to them, the market was about to be bearish.
Okay. They had a different focus.
Yeah.
Okay. The difference. Listen very carefully. People that made more money were focusing on this is an opportunity. Oh my God, if we go into the market right now, we can add more value. Companies such as Uber, Airbnb, they're the result of crash. They wanted to give more value. They wanted to change. Okay, people can't afford going to hotels. Let's create Airbnb. Okay, Lego is not doing very well. It's doing insane. It's $1 billion industry now, company. Lego's sales went up by 64% after the crash. Lego is not a toy manufacturing company anymore. What is it? It's a learning tool that you use. Engineers use it, correct? They learn engineering through Lego now. Okay? So what are you focusing on? What is the difference between the focus of a successful person and the focus of a non-successful person? What's the difference?
Vulnerability.
Who is focusing on?
No, their focus is very much vulnerable. The focus of a non-successful person. There are so much influencing factors that are allowed to deteriorate their focus.
Okay. What else?
The millionaire is always staying focused.
They're more clear, okay? It's very simple, guys. Successful people focus on what they have and what they want. Non-successful people focus on what they don't have and don't want. I sit with a lot of people. I ask them, what do you want? I don't want to be fat. I don't want to lose money. I don't want to be a failure. I tell them, don't think of a blue tree. What are you thinking about? Don't think of a blue tree. What are you thinking about? Think about a blue tree. Because your mind cannot process the word don't and will focus on the word after it. I don't want to fail. What are you saying to your unconscious mind? Fail. I don't want to gain weight. Gain weight. I don't want to lose. Lose. It's good to know what you don't want so that you can focus on what you do want. So that's the thing. We might have a different intention after our goals. You might want to be, me and you might want to be millionaires, okay? But I'm setting the goal because I deserve it. You're setting the goal because I don't want to be poor. You realize the intention and the focus behind it?
Glass half full, glass half empty.
Yes. So let's say this is half full, this is half empty, okay? I'm saying this is half full, you're saying this is half empty. Who's right?
Both of us.
Both of us are right. We really sit down, focus on it, we talk about it, we debate it. He's right and I'm right. But what are you focusing on? You can choose to focus on what's not working. You can choose to focus on what is working. Now, they did this experiment with athletes. They told them, all right, visualize that you're running. And they put sensors on their legs and they realized that the sensors started picking up heat. Because when you imagine something, your mind cannot tell if it's true or not. So you start to feel it in your body. And your muscles start reacting to it. What happens when your manager comes to you and tells you, can I see you in my office, please? Where's your focus?
What to discuss?
Oh my God, I'm gonna get fired. My kids are gonna be on the street. My wife is gonna leave me. Just because your manager said, can I see you in my office, please?
Advance.
Right? Because your mind is primitive. It's always focusing on what could go wrong because it wants to protect you. It wants to protect you. Right now, focus on a time. Remember a time someone did something very bad to you. Focus on it right now for 30 seconds. Focus on it mentally. Focus on it hard. I can see some faces transforming. Right? I can see lips going up. What are you feeling? What are you feeling? Tell me the emotions that you're feeling.
Hurt.
Hurt? What also?
Depressed.
Depressed?
Regret.
Regret? Okay,
Sad.
let's throw this on the side. I want you to remember a time someone told you a joke, a really, really funny joke. You laughed so hard, you fell on the floor, you were trying to drink some water or milk, it came out of your nose. You're laughing. Even though it's not happening in front of you. But because you're focusing on it, it becomes your reality. You're feeling funny, you're laughing, you're smiling. That's your reaction because that's your focus. Question is, what's your focus when you're sitting with the customer? Is your focus, oh, he's here again? Is your focus on fear? I don't want to mess this up. You're focusing on what could go wrong in this meeting, right? What do you also focus on?
He will ask lots of questions.
Yeah, am I going to be able to give him what he wants? Does he know more than me? Okay. What if your focus was, I want to serve this person on the highest level. I'm going to give them so much value, they can never see it anywhere else. What kind of emotions would you have when that's your focus? Even if you don't have the answer, you're going to figure it out. What's your focus going to be? What's your emotions going to be?
Invigorating.
Invigorating. There's more energy, right?
Positive.
Huh?
Positive.
Positive. I want emotions, but positive is a category. Okay. I want more emotions. Aren't you going to feel motivated?
Yeah.
Right?
Driven.
Driven.
Determined.
I'm going to care for this person so much they're not going to see it anywhere else. And not only to the customer, to your family, to your kids, to your friends.